we are going to buy motorbike. I got this Mio Gravis.
Hi guys, for today's video, we are here at the gym and practicing a scooter. Hi Tito!
Okay, so good morning guys. So today we are here in Tubod. So today we are going to buy motorbike. So we're going to buy motorbike, and then the motorbike I want is Mio Gravis, and I'll show you later what it looks like. Ayo ba? Ay sa pag sinamok dira. I like that bike because the fuel tank is right next to the turtle area, so it's very accessible and you don't need to open the seats anymore. So that's the latest motorbike design for Yamaha. Mio Gravis Yamaha.
Napagyud isa
Okay, so I'll show you later, and I am so excited to have this bike guys. And actually I will vlog the practicing. I am practicing driving with the scooter. I'll show you also that clip because it was so funny, because that scooter have chair. Unlike before, there's no chair, and when I drove the scooter with chair, it feels like different, but the last time that I drive the scooter is standing position. That's the cruise, and then the cruise is still working guys. The cruise is, pila edad na ni cruise ma? So the cruise is I think 7 or 6 years or 7 years. When I first got the scooter, I
Hi
think
Sophia!
almost 7 to or 6 to 7 years, and still working guys, no problem. Though we changed some tire for the scooter, but also there's the handle, there's crack in the handle. So this is the scooter crack. That one. Yes. But Dad fix it. Hopefully we can change this. This crack one over here. Hi, Papi, shut up. So that's the problem of the scooter. And Mom mostly drove that scooter since then, because it's very, very useful for short rides or in nearby places. May ba mag-wake up ka dira, madam? Come on, make up na. Oh, you're like me na me, mommy. Paretag na mong piyabuyag. Paretag na mong piyabuyag.
Ganganga ko mami.
O, ganganga ka.
Hi guys!
We're going to makeup. Go. Get up faster. Excuse me. I have runny nose, guys. Oh. Tong ay gikuang sakyanan. Siya sama. Ay. Sabita ni kay santan. Picturean ka. Yehey. Sophia. Anak po yung new baby si mommy. So magbacking ka dapat ingon anion. Dili dapat daw nang gamiton kuan. Side stand. Ay! And by the way, I got this Mio Gravis here in Odyssey Motors. Okay na. Salamat. Got the motorbike and I paid cash for the motorbike, and then I did credit to cash loan to the bank. That's my option because if I am going to do installment in motor company, it's gonna be like around 50,000 interest. So I don't want to pay that, so I decided to have a bank loan, and then bank interest is lesser. Go sister. Uy, nay lang ha? Ngayon kay Kote.
Kasi guys, diba oh?
Nana man na. Siga gid na siya man. Ganahan ka? Nindot drivean?
Grabe siya no. Naon hinayon na gid siya. Kay muharnak siya oy.
Mapalong siya, mapalong.
Drive ko may. Joy ko ba?
Ay. Dili, uy, dito street na siya. Inay-inay ra mo, Maya.
Ikaw na lang gigita.
Ako na lang yun.
Niya. Gamay lang anak nimo.
Save na ko sa kong mama.
Oh.
Save sa kong mama Sam.
Ngayon kay Kamay.
Save. Ano ko save? Save.
Tarong dia. Oh, dia.
Sindot kini yung taktisan ni
Di, nana, mong yun na. Mupalong mo yun na siya. Naon lang ni mo gamay.
Ano din na siya tita din? Ano din?
Ikaw daw ta.
Kaay.
Alili, ikaw daw.
Balik raman na siya.
Pabor ko.
Okay, go. Sa monong kadyot.
Anak ko sa taso. Hinimbang sa taso.
Bugat-bugat na. Kana lagi akong pakchi sa pink.
Ginay, bitaw siya mo na siya eh. Sindot ka na. Gusto dagan no. Street pa.
Right? Okay. Imong nose. Yeah, imong nose.
Salamat sa cheer.
Ayaw karang. Ayaw ko na.
Karang-karang gani, pwede pa katimbang. Muka ni ang bukat, ipay ka no. Dito sila. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone!